Pursuing studies or hunting jobs in other cities opens a whole new can of worms. In their crusade, students often get trapped into dilemmas such as which college to study, which course to opt for, will engineering do the best for them, or should they opt for commerce courses? And the list goes on. In all this chaos, many students end up studying in wrong colleges or schools, or leaving the idea altogether and returning back to their respective homes. At Lumsden, we connect students from remote areas to mentors and professional at global level. So for today, we have with us Ka Sanjin Changle. He is currently working as an assistant professor at Janki Devi Memorial College, University of Delhi. Today, he will be talking about various career options available for commerce students in particular, and also he will be guiding students who are planning to take some admissions in due. Before starting the session, I want to tell everyone that due to some technical issues, our session may end within 40 minutes. So if it happens, please join back again using the same link and password. For the session, we will be having a presentation from our mentor first, and after that, we will be having a Q&A session where all the participants can ask their question, can unmute yourself and ask the question, or you can put your question in the chat box. Thank you. Kale, you can start with your presentation. Thank you.
Okay, okay. Am I audible to all everybody? I hope.
Yeah.
Yes.
Okay, fine, fine. Okay, a very warm welcome to all of you. First and foremost, I would like to extend my greetings and gratitude to all the team members of Lumsden for conducting CPT session. I think they have already conducted so many sessions in the previous time, particularly during this pandemic time. And at the same time, I would also like to say thanks to Nomo Rigzinle for having me here as a speaker for today's session. Thank you so much, Nomole. So shall I proceed with? Okay, just wait
Yeah,
for a
we are
moment.
also great to have you, Kale. Thank you.
Okay, thank you, Nomole. Thank you. I think most of the participants are from Ladakh only, right? If I look at the participant list. Okay, thank you. If I talk about myself, I'm current as normally as already told. I'm currently working as an assistant professor at Yankee Memorial College from last 4 years, I think. So, and I'm also a research scholar at Delhi School of Economics, Department of Commerce. And if I talk about my, educational background prior to the college, I've done my schooling from Ladakh only. Okay, up to 10th standard, I've studied from government high school, Tikse, and then I moved to Boys High Secondary School, Leh. From I have done both the 11th and 12th standard. Then I'll move to Delhi for further studies. Okay, so without wasting much time, let's move on to our main topic. That is okay. Before that, let me ask you one thing. How many of you are not from the commerce background? I think can I have some answer? Sama commerce background from other background also, maybe science stream or from humanities background. Can I have some answer, please?
Commerce.
You can commerce, Mangshat commerce, right? Okay. Anyone who are from other background like medical stream or agar yutkan ji ki please you can let me know. Otherwise, I can go ahead with my okay,
medical
fine.
stream.
Medical stream in Yutkan. Okay, fine. Anyone else?
Medical.
Medical. Okay. All right. Okay. So before moving to Hanji Surle, yang yodale commerce yodale. Non-medical yutkan. ठीक रहा. Okay. One question. And second question is anyone who is still in school, right? The school in a country, maybe they are in 11th standard or maybe 8th standard, 9th standard. They are thinking about what to opt after 10th, yeah, 11, yeah, 12th standard, chap pass. Anyone? Okay. How many of you can I have numbers? Yeah, Tukshita, possibly know. Yeah, you can put in chat box ki school ne na school na diya jat, college ne na college la diya jat, right? That can be little easy for me. All right. If no more young chat box is available, right? Okay, fine. If I look at
Yes, Kale.
all right, ठीक है. Fine, school commerce, ठीक है. All right. Anyway, since I'm in commerce field, so I'll be whatever I'll talk. They're more relevant to the commerce student, right? He's a commerce student relevant in generally young spera kachigot that I will also be telling you for everybody. So yeah, so let's start it now with your presentation. It is screen based. Just wait for a moment. No more example. Can you enable the participant screen sharing?
I'll ask the host, Kale.
Okay. Okay, it's not happening now. For a time being, please, everybody,
Yeah,
if you have
I'll try.
any sort of doubts, any sort of question, you may ask at the end of the session. Today, at the end of the session, question answer session, 10-15 minutes be boring. So you may ask at that particular time. Okay? So if I try
Kale,
now,
I'll make you the host, and
okay.
then you can share your screen, and then you can give the host to me.
All right. So how should I do? Let me see. Just wait for a moment. Okay.
I'll make you the host.
Okay, fine.
Yeah, I've done it.
Okay,
Now you
fine.
can
Thank you.
share
No
your
more.
screen. After that, you
Okay.
can give
Thank
back
you.
the
Thank you.
host to
Fine.
me.
It's happening now. Thank you.
Okay.
Okay. Thank you. I hope
Okay,
the
now.
screen is visible for everybody.
Yes.
Is the
The
screen
screen is.
visible for
Kale,
everybody?
please
Yes,
give
sir.
the host back to me, so that I can allow the participants to enter.
Sorry, Nomoli, can you repeat again?
Can you give back the host to me so that I can allow other participants to enter?
Okay,
Kale?
just wait for a moment. How should I do? Let me
You
see.
can just click on my name and then you
Okay.
can.
Okay, fine.
Have the
Fine.
more
Got it.
Yeah. Thank you.
Make a house. Okay, done. Okay, fine.
Thank you. Kale.
All right. So okay. So let's start it now. This is particularly for commerce student. Okay, Sujik, other background, Yodna, please, topic all right? Maybe it is helpful for some other people. So, first and foremost, Mankhya Niji student Daksa, those who are online Yodle, so some of you are in still in school, okay, maybe in 11th standard, maybe in 12th standard, and some of you maybe in the college, maybe doing the graduation. So Niskifia, this PPT or presentation relevant in so please so first and foremost, career planning is the goal setting is very important, right? Goal setting bo and in order to set goal, what you have to do is you have to consider taking into consideration this point, right? Area of interest, area of strength, skill and aptitude, personality, aspiration, values, right? These are pakka focus whenever you set any sort of goal, right? Then uske basis pe, right, you have to plan your education, right? Education planning bo after considering this point: area of interest, area of strength, skill and aptitude, personality, aspiration, and the values, right? So the very important point that I'll be talking here is this 4 point: strength, weakness, opportunity, and challenges, right? So whether you're in a school, whether you are in a college, university, does not matter. Please think about yourself and figure out कि आपका क्या strength है, what is your strength, what is your weakness at this particular time, right? अभी हम दक्षे time का ये strength पुचीन, weakness puchin, opportunities puchin, challenges chin, that you need to figure out. So if I talk about the strength is very simple. You can easily understand. Last point in our going this it says what comes naturally to you. What comes naturally to you means naturally chi interest, right? Naturally निजा चीज कितपो थोड़ रहा, ठीक है? That is your strength. That can be your strength. अगर त्यो raw strength यूं खिंचनो, but that can easily be converted into your strength. ठीक है? So I'm not, discussing one in detail. And if I talk about the weakness, strength yutna weakness ang yut kya kala. Mi sangme nang kuwa strength ang yut kya, weakness ang yut kya. And weakness is at the last point में if you read the last point, it's written what is not easy for you. That means anything which is not easy for you, any area in which you are weak at, ka chalak penangko nija gyala met, that is your weakness. Okay? So strength bong pata chano, weakness bong pata jojes po, it's very important. Okay, kazuk nija stage chikayot, kazuk life career stage chikayot, you have to always figure out what is your strength, what is weakness. And the very important one is the opportunities. And opportunities, first point, if you look at the first point, the good chances facing you and what are the interesting trends. And if I talk about the this example example opportunities can come from event such as change in the technology and market, right? So nija dasa kazuk life stage kayot, kazuk career stage kayot, and you have to figure out what is your opportunities. For example, I'm taking one example. Let's suppose say government of India has come up with scheme like Make in India, scheme like initiative like Startup India. So these are the these are the opportunities. Okay, agar government koi policy favorable policy na, for example Make in India Indo या Startup India Indo e policy un suifiale entrepreneurs ne ija sangma santiuto konifia matante faida manjik matante favorable jino. So that means anybody who is willing to start planning to start any startup koni pay you opportunities no ठीक राले yang market in ango kazuk trend jigo diale technology kazuk change chat ti un nija figure out chuchuno nija kazuk field jinayot nije opportunities chin te figure out chuchuno yale. And at the last, what are the challenges nija kazuk challenges face cho also te nija at this particular time nija college life college inayot school inayot you have to figure out ठीक राले. So this it's a very nije हर टाइम हुन्छ मलाई कजु टाइम जिगा यो निजा कॉलेज ना इन्ना फॉर एग्जांपल जस्ट कॉलेज टेस्ट इन यूनिवर्सिटी अप्लाई चुचु सुट किया या खची की जॉब एनंग अप्लाई चुचु किया ते टाइम का ई स्ट्रेंथ वीकनेस अपॉर्चुनिटी चैलेंज संगमा इजे कंसीडर चुचु सिनो याल. सो लेट्स मूव टू द नेक्स्ट this slide. So goal bo kazuk shiong osamo kushuna nije career goal bo kanang ko nije satisfied chaw thoben nije gala opportunity thoben and nijate goal benang tuang strength pong gyala yot interest ang yot yang vision ang gyala yot tirala I thangma point nija consider nije goal in yang yung osano gyala ठीक है. So this is a very general thing. Okay, whether you are doing the commerce stream or medical thangme fya yo marante khachani no gyale ठीक है. So moving to the next part, this one. So if nge question jigo diale nije nangne sugat daksa just 12 exam tangstin ya college if you planning job say yes, yeah, whatever you can put in the chat box. Yeah, you can say yes, please. How many of you are in school? Yeah, just planning to uh, suga dio dale. Yes. Okay. You, some of you may unmute yourself. Unmute your nadix temana jojo isuk rigzinle.
Ino no kale.
All right. Unmute.
One
If
participant
unmute
has
option
raised
is
his
there,
hand.
please. Yes. Yes. Unmute yourself and you can participate. ठीक है. That would be a little. Okay. How many of you? My question is, how many of you are in school? Yeah, those who are planning to take admission in college. Suga dio dale. Tarung admission process ko abhi duli nete no ale ka college na ka university na thana. They must be in a very critical stage. Kya kazu course ek opchosh is in, particularly for commerce student. Ka college university ka college, yes, ka university chagosh is in, ka college la chagosh is in. Okay. So anyway, ठीक है. Those जब +2 या 12th standard po जब third testing ने, right? So you have so many options. ऐसा नहीं है कि निजा commerce korang bo pursue chosen. It's not like that. Even with the commerce stream, you can opt for the humanities, maybe BA, maybe other BBA, other stream. ठीक है? But mostly क्या नती चीज चुनाव जो ना commerce line है ना को तेना continuation तेना ना चुनाव वाले. So after 12th standard in commerce stream, you have broadly, three, option. ठीक है? काउंगे categorize चोस्ते ले three नंको, सुमी नंको वाले. The first one is diploma program junita. Diploma program, very, duration boma unit kya low needs for. Then degree program, the duration is for 3 years ne 5 years super duration with. And third one is Kao, some of you must have heard, some of you may not have heard about this professional program. Kao ka dining time mampo spend join. That they are, first one is CA program. Okay? Some of you must have heard CA. Okay? Then professional program. Third, second na this ICW program. Fourth में ना दुगले CS program, CFA program, ठीक है? These are known as professional program in Okale, ठीक है? ते वांगे properly ये detail इन हमको discuss join निजा join, and उससे पहले let's come on to the यहाँ पे degree program बोंगा था थोड़ा सा discussion, ठीक है? In the degree program, the duration is 3 years to 5 years. That means those who just clear the 12th standard and planning to take admission, in the process to in taking admission in any college, degree program in angkwa, first category in angkwa course news dugle. First one is BCom junjita and the second one is BCom honors. 12th standard daksa ngi 12 pass chukone tukune justen, and then second category nangwa BBA LLB na BA LLB dugle. Third nangwa BBA and BBM dugle, and fourth one is BC and BCom dugle. Tunge sabse pehle I'll be discussing on the first category. They are BCom and BCom. ठीक है? BCom honors से नंको चीज क्या जुना? इव degree program जिनो ले, low sume program नो ले, and almost every university nangko department जहाँ department of commerce they generally offer this program BCom and BCom honors. Ta BCom na BCom honors nangko difference पच्चीस क्या जुना? Very simple, ठीक है? Difference तेज़ाम जिक में क्या क्या? But in terms of syllabus in Ajuna, syllabus po BCom honors में नंको चपिक mangpo and BCom में नंको चपिक syllabus po nyunji क्या सोने, ठीक है? And BCom honors से नंको निजा subject खचिक, paper खचिक extra syllabus हम, ठीक है? And young spera चिचिक BCom honors agar niji course po option samna, you must have maths in 12th standard. 12th standard in angkua maths या mathematics compulsory no. अगर निजा mathematics जो ना you can easily opt for apply for this course BCom honors ठीक है. अगर निजा math ना then e course po mangche university offer choman हो जाले. Then अगर ten ना निजा याना math ना you can go for next option that is BCom. ठीक है. But निजे सामे तो कि ना I have got so many queries कि अगर BCom optiona ki future in namko career namko job apply chuches na problem chama na ye BCom honors pama preference tan hoga. There's so many questions, right? But question answers is very simple whenever you are apply after graduate agar niche degree program clear song kya lo sumin namko, then if you are applying for any job ठीक है and job hai tene requirement bo simply te udiste honchen ki you must have a graduate, you must graduate, yeah, you must have a degree program, 3-year degree programs in commerce या whatever. तो वहां पे कहीं नहीं मेंशन होगा कि बीकॉम हो सकता या बीकॉम ऑनर्स हो सकता है. मेंशन माने में क्या सिंपली निजा ग्रेजुएशन हो सकता ते जॉब पे फिया निजा बीकॉम युत का ना अप्लाई चोंगे नो बीकॉम ऑनर्स युत का ना अप्लाई चोंगे चांग डिफरेंस में क्या ते पर्टिकुलर टाइम पे ठीक है. एंड अगर निजे तरुंग इसको लमापो हागो जेशोद ना निजे स्टिंग टिया तीन आंदे ठीक है. Then moving to the next category that is BBA LLB rang BA LLB zina is dwale. And LLB nija generally e course duration bo keta low shringe on wale. ठीक है. निजे low departments निजे संते तो ठीक है हर यूनिवर्सिटी नंको low department क्या कोने e course po offer चानो ठीक है. BBA LLB and BA LLB कावे course duration bo lo shnayon gale yang BCom sting nang nija e course fia apply chung yana nokle ठीक gale agar nija sugad la yang iskola detail nang ko ha go chi ha go ni na you can ask me later ठीक gale. And then now but nija e course niske skorla BCom honors BBA LLB and BA LLB skorla you must have heard about this course many times from your senior, from your parents, and so on and so forth. But third category nangko course nis jutya that they are BBM zinjitang course nis dole. E course niske skorla nija sukarla thought to sukarla masora dole. So I'll be discussing about these two course. So next screen wo yun yale. Okay, so young course nis alale ma kapchen course nis BBA rang BBM young teaching 8 chostole that is BBS ठीक है. So nija sukadla professional management nangko professional course op chungin yodnale nije e course un op chunang you can opt this 3 course. BBA stand for Bachelor of Business Administration. Bachelor of Business Administration. Iwang degree course in ogle. Iwang law sumi course in ogle. Agar BCom nija chungin metro, BCom honors chungin metro. Then young question mampondo like what we can do apart from BCom and BCom honors. You can go for a BBA. You can go for a BBM. You can go for BBS. But you have to understand ki e course un chino yang chi fayda you must understand. Okay, so BBA stand for Bachelor of Business Administration, right? And BBM stand for Bachelor of Business Management, and BBS stand for Bachelor of Business Studies. ठीक है. इस संख्या के दौरान management ने part चिकनो गया management engineering is ना management ने part चिकनो and differentiate क्या जुना इस संख्या course ने हमको गुमतांगे similarity ये नो like they are all 3 course are for 3 years low sume course nokle and minimum qualification aapko 12 pass hosa nokle 12 16 is a you course if you apply chungyana nokle. And if I'll talk about the difference among these 3, the BBA okay tarang mainly focus on the administrative studies in angkwa nija in angkwa mangcha to function of the business nija those who are in commerce stream they must be knowing कि business चीन हो सके वो पता है क्या है. business a function gun nija inangko generally hagon gale. Business function means business na ko mo category mang pot no le. For example ngata human resource management chidu, finance chidu, marketing chidu, sell chidu, otionic chi function in is a BB inangko thoroughly understand chano. Then second is BBM. Okay, BBM. BBM stand for the Bachelor of Management, Business Management. In angkua nija mangchat po decision making skill dang managerial skill bo enhance chano yale. Decision making skill. Business organization in angkua decision making skill bo ma khakchan ino yale. One those who pursue this BBM, then angko nija chi chano so nija te skill is managerial skill dang the decision making skill is ka ma enhance channel with the help of this this course. And BBS is basically a inangko mangpo ke mangkya po ke practical approach point of view se nija course po design chustu kya thik dale. So iu niji I course sanke school line yale yang nija stingne doubt chutna you can ask me later thik dale. Okay, then ikane just wait. Okay, then second last, that is this young course is BCA rang BCom computers. BCO ke Bachelor of Computer Application and BCom nang bracket computers this dole. That means BCom at the course design almost same first category na BCom you dole, but more computer oriented course so those who are interested in computer and computer application, they may go for BC and BCom computers. Okay. So this all about this degree program. Degree program in e course on majorly. Then now diploma program is called junior. Agar nija, for example, 12th standard niji clear that kya. Then nija per admission thowa mano ya admission khachi mane na dugdu halal. Then for them I would suggest ki nija degree program in amko apply chamid na, then niji cheez at juna niji diploma program if apply chona dikta no yal. Diploma program ka duration is only for 2 years. And nite suggestion nija agar diploma program on nija apply chungin na you must have heard the ICNU thangme samde ICNU course mangchat po kena ICNU Indira Gandhi National Open University offer chano te course na ka apply chona diktan hoyale lo ni CPM mane yo nametya lo ni senang ko nija tene diploma thwa thikale. Okay, for example diploma in travel and tourism, diploma in hotel management and so on and so forth thikale. So ye songling nija diploma program dang degree program thikale. Now moving to the next part, ye professional program what's up stinging is doing. The next slide for this one. Okay, now Daksat Supanichi use Kau Ketarang, Mangchat Poketarang, they are course oriented course oriented. That means is a 12th thing chichu kazu course check nija opchung and chichu kya pace ko and in this slide this career options. Now we will try to understand this course, some course MBCA to ICW from the career point of view. So what I've done is I've categorized the career option into two parts, major and minor. Major and minor. So majorly point this. So the first one is MCom. So those who have done with the BCom, some of you must have done the BCom, or they're looking for ab kya karna hai je kane question bo right shato, right? And MCom e course BCom nija still in yut kane thugun ya clear songs ta kane thuguna te pakka pata kya lagi MCom ji ke course dughala university sang mein offer charu, everybody must be knowing about the MCom. Ab MCom buchi nok juna it's a detail in the junior. MCom bo keterang since I'm in academic, I'm an academician, yeah, at the same time a research scholar. So I have also done MCom in the year 2015 and I'm going MCom chostin. तो एमकॉम चोचे से फायदा चियोत क्या yang suri ga cho sano yang chose testing ne kazuk career nije ya job zen wala job nije nije nen yan che kya juna mcom is simply a master in commerce ठीक है and it's a postgraduate commerce yale and those who are interested in academic या teaching profession in interest yodna then I would suggest कि निजे mcom choices like ठीक है and particularly those who wish to go in the education in the higher education system, right? Maybe as an assistant professor or professor, तो बीकॉम इस थिंग ने निजा एमकॉम जच्चे से नोले ठीक है एमकॉम में तेने कोर्स ड्यूरेशन इज ओनली फॉर 2 years लोंगी से कोर्स नोले once you are done with the mcom boccha clear songs this thing ne then what you have to do is निजा तेने national level एक test शिक्षण होले कावा net जेने निजे संदे टोले net national eligibility test you know त्यो निजे clear द दोसनो simply clear द दोसनो कावा केतरंग twice in a year lo chigina thobong ni chano yale chikpa december ya january na chano le yang second book ketelang june july na chano thik dale then ngi te clear chik charge na nyam ko then once you're clear that means you are eligible for assistant professor if you're eligible chano ab eligible assistant professor be eligible chik charge na nyam po that means now you're eligible. Now you can apply for any post of assistant professor across the country. Har university namko har saal tene kone assistant professor e job opportunity bhi anokle. Then you can apply for those posts. Ta mcom zat kya kle net clear son kya kle testing ne nara example juna testing for example ne Delhi University example justa ठीक है you they two understand how they are in BCom, they have just graduated. ठीक है का टुगुन जब graduate songs देन ते टुगुनी फिर नहीं आले ठीक है yang ते टुगुन काउ खोनी का ते टुगुआ तेने teaching profession है नंको interest ठीक है mcom जत क्या mcom clear चूज क्या net clear song क्या तांगे example जिन्हें ले Delhi University ओके ठीक है Delhi University नंको निजा for example post शिगिफिया advertise song क्या ले ठीक है ते post po इनके लिए assistant professor ठीक है now since you are already eligible for assistant professor you can easily apply for those posts now te post if ya young exam if ya written exam chaminole ta e exam if ya post if ya job if ya already written exam song tano chezana is already net clear no now young dubara exam tang che zarur me kya now you are eligible for assistant professor means you can simply directly go for interview आप interview के लिए easily जा सकते हैं ठीक है interview आराम से नीचे क्वेश्चन चीज़ नो तेरे based on the interview ठीक है based on the interview या based on the your research तेरे नीचे shortlist चानो के लिए उसके बाद तेरे further appointment का process तेरे start ठीक है नीचे highlight में simply नहीं ना जुगे idea जितना तेरे MCOM में चीज़ relevant you know ठीक है and second young ये पेरा चीज़ चिक ngata ladakh se to ya har state nang kwa assistant professor man pa school level ka then lectureship e then post mang po advertise no yale te post fiang then minimum qualification mcom ko sam yale ठीक है minimum qualification mcom that means mcom check yoj dang po niche written exam if you eligible you know and then written exam if eligible no the written exam po check clear chal dang po tene next step ponogle nije interview tasangi malole assistant professor same tene lecturer if yang interview kya but written exam is thing ne the interview testing ne tene appointment process ko start chano yale ठीक है ते son pasan tene mcom में ये तो ये तने job होने फिर नीचे apply चुंगन चीज़ नो lecturer yang second बुके तना assistant professor ये majorly नहीं यूज़ ठीक है yang सुकत ला yang interest yodna then you may ask me later right then moving to the next Then next then major section in angwa MCOM is thing charter accountant usually charter accountant and this is the very one of the famous then course yeah professional course particularly for commerce student if you up ngata C is in a meja sang right but C chi chuano ठीक है last put you क्या yang ko suno
Yeah, the host is given to you, Kali.
okay thank you okay
Thank you.
uh,
Thank you.
okay so can we resume now right all right okay ninth chartered or fine so chartered accountants in jikang course या professional course halale so they nije thangme those who are in college yeah doing BCom or BCom they must have heard from their friends yeah some of you must be doing uh, charter accountant junjitang course gutya thangme sangunla te ujuin ki charter accountant bo kwe last po chi chonok juna hala last po chi chonok juna charter accountant hai for example ek business organization ji gutya hala ठीक है ये कंपनी जी गutya ठीक है ते कंपनी उदाम छिनमो क्या कि it's not possible for a common man या simple एक employee जी की financial manage join financial statement join या taxation है last some join right so what they do they hire a professional person ठीक है काउंगा तो CA जो नो कोट ओ तो external music hire जो नो यार ठीक है या हर कंपनी को CA जो नो यार तो कोई last पुची नो कुछ ना तेने ते finance po pura manage choches ठीक है तेने financial statement prepare choches means निजा BCom चोकोने टून या 11 12 standard kan टून पक्का पता क्या है financial statement right they are basic duties job is to prepare the financial statement prepare choches nyampo some shi company taxation last yudiale taxation is some shi uh, activities yo yet income tax return filing jigindo tax management jigindo ya kazu tax related last yo teo CL tangal and financial analysis means finance po some courses do chicho courses do teun pura mangya po tin CA handle chon ठीक da so CEO keterang matante important jiguranole company jifia te song pasang CA tene package po junang package po junang ke salary junang ya package junang tene matante mongpot ya mongpot ya alright kao keterang depend jono ki kazuk music scene kazuk company jigin ठीक da so agar details nang kuangija hagungin yoto CS korla tenenga personality nang dial ठीक da okay then similarly then a ICWA then a course and work accountant junitang then is similar to the CA o te wang je pursue chung institute kya just after the 12th standard C yang 12th standard is thing nole then a ICWA yang 12th standard is thing nole ICWA then last puchino mata te khakchan gyuro no kala dak side particular time ka ki CA chief ye chano ya kwe last puchi yot kya chi chano zagan bo ha guna tening ija whether you're interested or not kan bo ha go no pa ठीक है तेज तीन ये डिसीजन लेंगे जनो कि ये सी pursue choices in man ये ICW नंगो choices in man लेकिन वो how goes this thing ने ये तेओ pursue choices नो यार ते फिर it's very important कि ये first कि CH नो कि last पुची नो ठीक है तेओ how go ना मां खक्सन गिरनो then ICWA तेने कोई last पुची क्या जुना ये accountant जी नो वाला it's not यहाँ ता simple यहाँ ता accountant जो नो पा simple accountant मानो in profession no small right तो ICWA नंगुआ खोने लास्ट पुके तेरंग कि cost related plan choices cost related study choices cost related data collect choices खोने लास्ट नो सी लास्ट नो जो ना cost and works accounting and very important कि खोने young last चीज़ कि advice तंग से जाले कि दसा for example bottle जी नो आला नती company bottle बो produce चोस क्या तई bottle pricing बो तम बोरें आला 10 rupees बोरें ना 15 rupees बोरें मीजी नतांग तो randomly बोरें इंचेस में क्या खाल ती फिर first and foremost कोने पूरा cost पो यो तम से खर्चा सों ती वे data collect चोनो ती वो thoroughly analyze चोनो तीस thing ने तेने ई product पे price पो तम बोर्चेसिन 10 rupees बोर्चेसिन ना 100 rupees बोर्चेसिन तीस thing ने decide चोनो आले ती उसी चोनो चुना cost and work accounting चोनो and second boy का जिससे दुगले investment proposal for example ngati la ngati company la 1 crore क्या रहा 1 crore बो कहते हैं ngati la option नहीं सोच क्या कि ई bottle बो produce चोचे से नंगो ngati invest चोना या ई pen बो produce चोचे नंगो invest चोन जेकन बोय दो option हो क्या ले ठीक डाले ते option बो का best इनो ठीक डाले इयो चोना तम खर्चे चारू तम ngati la profit होंदो pen boy नंगो invest चोना नंगो चोना तम खर्चे चारू तम घटा चारू लेकिन वो सुई अंडरस्टैंड जोनो या सुई जरा नो सुई एडवाइस तनो जना ई अकाउंटेंट में एडवाइस ठीक डाले सो नेक्स्ट मूविंग टू द नेक्स्ट पार्ट देन नेक्स्ट पार्ट पो के दे रहा ओके सीएस कंपनी सेक्रेटरी जनरली क्वे लास्ट पुची नोक जुना कि तम शि कंपनी बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर ता कॉमर्स स्टूडेंट इन यूथ कानून इन कानून तपिक हा गोनो वाला बोर्ड ऑफ डायरेक्टर मीन company nangko top management ni tam shigyot right top management ni tam shigyot Mr. X Mr. Y Mr. Z kone decision jing nena ngale decision jing nena no tene te decision bo properly implement songs to masons to sil tanok juna it is a task of company secretary ठीक डाले इवं professional course signok ne iwang 12 standard thing ni je pursue jat ni chano ni PPT ne thangmala share join teni website do like last एक website डांसते ये website का visit चुआ जात तनी ये पूरा detail courses कोला detail understand चाहो ठीक है तो संगे तेतम detail ना मिजू ये खेतो खेतो ने topic चिंगी जा introduction ठीक है then CFA stand for Chartered Financial Analyst right तो खोने last पुची नोक जुना खोने last पुके तेरंग खोने main role बुते उनोकले खोन अगर निजा ई कोर्स को pursue चोस्ते निजा कंपनी छिनमु जिनंगवा portfolio manager isulla last year portfolio manager risk manager financial advisor consultant research analysis ni mang pick this dole i usangma chinok juna i usangma company financial point of view se nija manage choices ठीक है for example portfolio manager means ni la daksa 1 crore rupees kya hala company nangwa tangi 1 crore rupees po gendran kazu you know option A nangko ngi tambor option B nangko ni tam 1 crore nang ni tam ni investment option C nangko ni tam investment zekan bo ten portfolio manager e ten decide cho chono te som pasang e CFA ten chartered financial analyst ni je course po pursue cho this thing ne ni je as a portfolio manager risk manager sulla company chen mo chen nangko last chu ni na hel agar further ni je understand changin yodna ni link dang se dula on ote o je visit cho ठीक है so iu songle nija tene professional course dari first inangkolole first slide inangoni professional program lo sume tene duration yotya ithangma right CA program ithangma topic nija zertinle agar nija further nija school la ha gongi yodna you can contact me ठीक है okay then now tayang makhachan jigale course management related courses right So management related courses nija mangpu chung yan chesut kya tenang ne sangme sang famous chechek ठीक डाले after graduation even after BBA zenam daring starting kang course chikse o testing nyang nija chung yan chesut kya and dene BCom honors testing nyang nija course chung yan chesut kya ka course wangi highlight chus dole MBA degree jano ठीक डाले MBA degree you can kazuk university jik reputed university for example IIM zera so mangpo kya kala ata management institution mangpo kya te the through ni je MBA degree chung che shot kya hal ठीक dale to MBA ko lang mangpo miju rather than that nge now focus more on the minor perspective nge tapik juna ठीक dale te kawnge headline heading butang se dukle ki other career option 성매 성문라 이 entrepreneur 디스도 갈래 요달래 entrepreneur 가왕이 highlight 조세도 and entrepreneur 니 성매 성문라 that means first pegangi entrepreneur 디스도 they can test in a I have put it competitive exam then law then hotel management and so on and so forth so reason being why I have put it entrepreneur on the top there's a certain reason the reason being is share chonyale 성매 성문라 since I'm also a research scholar in entrepreneurship te fengi topic chingi detail inangija hago chije solution ठीक है so sangme sangmunla entrepreneur bu chino sukan bo hago chis ma khalsani no yale right entrepreneur yang nyampo businessman mini so kya yale chichik businessman no chichik entrepreneur ठीक है then entrepreneur bu suno and businessman bu suno shuna thing is king is a differentiate chungyan goshes kapchani no ठीक है that means thangma hati tangkan thangma ngija tene business chon ko daksa hati tano ngi minda tene ngada business chon if you visit the any market thangma entrepreneur manu khala for sure thangma entrepreneur manu you must be knowing ki entrepreneur dang businessman in angko different kya kan bo ngija those who are pursuing BCom ya MCom they must be knowing right ki businessman suno entrepreneur suno या सुगर ला पता met na ini thangme thangme te justin ठीक है सुगर ला पता met na businessman na entrepreneur na ko ma या निजा businessman दच्चस मनोले ठीक है निजा चीज दच्चस no you have to go for the entrepreneur अगर निजा some to businessman जिक join निजा business te ngata terminology use chonole business जिक join हम kan bo निजे demand ayunna rather just topic sing is entrepreneur bong topic se analyze choza ki entrepreneur bo suno ya entrepreneur e chi फायदा क्या होगा kan bo nija topic se how goza ठीक है so businessman na entrepreneur na ko first the difference put you know ya ki businessman bo hamesha suno na team kao ketarang existing idea kwe a business idea na business concept ko ketarang already yot kya market na ko maybe young friends maybe young family members the idea chang so much man kya market that are those idea are existing ideas but entrepreneur team those who come up with an unique idea ठीक है का music idea so much market na binga ठीक है concept so much market na binga team entrepreneur yale then nija after graduation that means become honors that testing ne then te low sum binang ko nija business kazu manage chochen someone is okay if possible you can unmute okay fine so entrepreneur entrepreneur kami khetana idea so much itang market nang ko bi ठीक है then nija definitely ye suggest you join businessman choices mano nija entrepreneur choices no and those student nija summer to ala graduation sting ne tanga government job ang chungin mera tanga private job ang chungin mera tanga business start chungin dal sam te idea ji mangchat student na yong dole but ne te suggestion ki jab te idea chik mine na yong nang yam po nija businessmen zekan bu choices mano nija entrepreneur zekan bu choices no hele entrepreneur choices if you are definitely right the big challengeable right? Challenges mang puyut kya, but tewe tene izupo reward pongma gyala kya. Te fe nija thame sang lada uni idea so much gosano yang concept puma fresh yang so much pakka wasano. ठीक डाले yang nija chi yang sperang ispao nija ma risk taker wasano ala. You are willing to take, when you are willing to take risk, right? Then you will be known as entrepreneur. Agar risk ninches in a ninches agar nija agree ready in, that means you are, you will be, yeah, you can be entrepreneur very easily. ठीक है risk nen kan mi and accountable right? ठीक है and young entrepreneur फायदा चीज क्या जुना निजा तेने job creator jigurno wala. You can give a job to the numbers of other people, right? Mamangpo mija nije job tangyan no because nije rang, because entrepreneur no nije business po pura so much no, right? Nierang the business tene izupo had bugurches no, right? You can easily give a job to the other job seeker, right? And at the last entrepreneur sunok juna market leader gyusichuno chezana nije business po nije la mani janme la kya palal chezana ngira te idea o kitana ma unique no song pasang ngerang te market ko thamesang leader bon pa tigale agar businessman juna agar मान लो हटी तंगन जिगना general store तंगन जिगतो te general store tangkan mi mang ko itnale te miuna businessman jono yang they are market player tigra and one of the player tigrale football in 11 player amina tena sosla huang tena tena tok michi jigun gale agar entrepreneur agar mija inna you are known as the market leader ठीक है so iuni tapik nija entrepreneur scholar just yale then now next competitive exams right competitive exams in ko ngi pura ngi kata chikni idea tanga but then ngi particularly ngi chikni sing mani ngi mi jutik dale and kao khitan commerce student if it's a pixik helpful cha so commerce in angkua you are already acquainted with the management business right then law ang nija silano te song pasang thamai sang munla tanga ti UPSC tene civil service exam tena kao ngate ISF IPS if you could easily apply tao sang me if generally but particularly banking and insurance se agar nije job if you apply chona then being a commerce student sapik is helpful chano sapik is easy gurno che juna banking and insurance sector bo kiterang then economic ma important sector jingno ale ठीक है ते सोम pasang tenang kuang tene pura management right management marante role play chono business marante role play chono law marante role play chono सोम pasang nija dimbe tenang ko sapik helpful chache jino yale banking and insurance in ko then SSC UPSC ठीक है iunang nije tene as a career competitive exam iunang nije exam tang enjoy no yale ठीक है then tangi tapik in now need a career point of view need a big zertain right so no more example tarunga time yut na ki tapik singe due admission processes ko na tapik sikni join for those who are who are in the process of taking admission in due colleges this ko lang tapik si join agar Rexinandole time yut na ki question hola.
Yeah, you can take.
Okay. All right.
Yeah.
ठीक है. All right. ठीक है. Song pasang inna yale. Can we have some Q question answer session Rexinle? Tapik
Yeah,
sik
sure,
tuna tapik tong teachers
sure.
for next 5-10 minutes.
Yeah, if anyone have any question, they can turn on their speaker and ask, or you can put on the chat box.
Yes, up to the Hazubangi cheeses regarding Sukat lag TYO2 and anything you need to ask, please. Where I can find a chat box. Anyone, please? dual originally sugala dual
I think
SSC chinole.
okay okay SSC
SSC
ngerang
le.
minga chin le hanji minga chin yere ming momol sal le so I can
Shushki dole. SSC
okay
pula
shushki dolmale ngerang ka course in te o topic molna topic chek lamu chacharagle course chi chwa te kar college la yada school la yada hanji shushki le ni course wachin ya ni chi zada hello am I audible okay
yes,
anyway
yes,
Kavi, you're
sir.
audible.
okay okay fine
So,
Sushil leng yang cheese adale course shoot le yang sampain le ka college la yada school la le
Hello?
ya hale ठीक है चामेरा
Yes, sir.
s yale ngerang school la yada college la yada cheese wale course
College le. College le.
college
Daksa de third year
okay
in ale.
third year na course puchin le okay anyway ठीक है third year la in
Course
le
BCom le.
okay bcom in lo perfect itu geno yale Sushil le iu competitive exam bo mangshat competitive exam e tene basic criteria okay terang minimum qualification zara nole te okay terang graduation osan yale ठीक है graduation bo minimum qualification bono ठीक है that means irrespective of the field या background e SSC via sujang apply chung enjo jot yale ठीक है अब SSC stand for staff selection commission ठीक है daksa ini UPSC dole UPSC soksla and SSC yang tene board chino kawe kiterang mamang po post via tene migun recruit chon ठीक है miun recruit chon for example ये bank POs ene sante otto ठीक है bank PO kiterang tene mangchat tene bank gune PO via tene exam bo conduct chonokle recruit chonokle IBPS जनजिता ठीक है तेना सोचला SSC नो staff selection commission तेना को हर साल मोमो po post बिंचन बाले ठीक है if you visit the SSC website एक बार नीचे SSC website को check चौजात SSC नंकुआ तेने हर साल nga tan tan man puitu मेरा that means हर साल नीचे तेने post once in a year then exam conduct chono then हमको post mo पहुंचने यानी हर field हमको for example income tax inspectors जरा तो then custom field हमको तो mo पहुंचने once you visit the SSC website तो निरा पता छानो but निजे ते फिया तपिक preparation जो सनो याले then exam pattern bokok shido syllabus bokok shido then हमको quantitative then is going English reasoning te sama निजा तपिक understand choices kapchane no याले कि ते कजू syllabus preparing निजा जत वशेजत particularly for SSC ठीक है अगर निजा मंगको details ना हागुंग योजना you may contact me little stinging contact zena ठीक है yang sukadla tiwa yonna please anyone having any
if anyone have any question, please drop in the chat box, or you can unmute yourself and ask. So question yo nang chat box na tang nang dikle.
Young question chikale.
ole le tia za chole hale
Option immediately kita 12 testing ne cho so na ki daksa nine bale.
tin tapi repeat chona chole voice for break charagle tapi repeat choza question bo ka course bole ka course bo hello
Chuskitli, I think she's having some internet issues.
Chartered
You can
accountant kale.
oh chartered accountant fee हाँ chartered accountant fee देखो chartered accountant fee अगर निजा दसा minimum qualification बजन ठीक है minimum qualification वो 12 pass हो सनो ठीक है 12 pass हो सनो तंगी जब college exam सिली निदांग हम वो योद नांग it does not matter minimum qualification बंगी जी 12 already योद तनो वाले ठीक है ता chartered accountant fee face कचिंग होते हैं याले थंग में संग 12 testing ने exam जिशानो याले exam वो first phase ठीक है testing the second phase IPCC ono IPCC na exam jiga ठीक डाले testing ने IPCC वो check clear charge nangyam po nija chi chosono juna company kangyam po ni simple language ne juna internship chosono yale ठीक डाले final benang ko final ka ngata first year second year third year ne undale ठीक डाले CPT zerkan bo CA first year chosono ठीक डाले CPT then second year bo ketara IPCC zenji nangyam ठीक डाले and once you're done with the IPCC then is a final benang ko is a company jiga songs te internship chose no then te tenang ko last chose thing is a practically knowledge gain chose this thing ne tenang is a then CEO clear chano ठीक डाले अगर CEO is a clear check charge nangyam po nija tene CA account tene is institution ho kya pale ठीक है chartered accountant institution हो गया ICAI जो नो ते वे member क्यों नो ठीक डाले ते वे member क्यों नो तो ते तुम पर्सन मेन यहाँ एक स्पेरा यू नो लकी निजा 12 पास को मिनिमम हो सनो 12 पास स्थिति निजा तेने CA फिया प्रिपेयर चोना दिगा नो and CA फिया apply चोनो दिगा नो ठीक डाले
third year
yang
date tamano halale der
हाले
mane basic kadale CA
ये दक्सा third year नमन अच्छु चलो ना दक्सा third year ना इन्ना late mano but निजा देखो इजुक्शिनो याले ये ते उजुइन generally thu ni chi chonok juna 12 de chap sting ne alale 12 bo chap clear songs this thing ne they khone you know isu ge CFA preparation start chon tikale CFA preparation start chono che jana CA paper bo tapik sik ne hard hon chen ba tikale ma lamu hon chen man but ma kasma hon chen man tikale then CFA che jana ngata subject mo hon chen CA nang ko paper mo mang po hon chen ti fia 12 de chap sting ne tini apply chono tikale this thing ne tene nija BCom chano BCom में tene syllabus tang CA syllabus almost same jung chen ठीक है almost same chen ठीक है ते फिया निजा अगर सुगत का दस third in na inna lose sum already nije graduation जाते नो ते नंग निजा interest yot na nije criteria was six हजार ठीक है निजा ते criteria नंगो CA criteria नंगो ते eligibility da fit charo minu निजा ताजा load sam charo ते वेबसाइट को एक बार नीचे विजिट चौजात तो नीचे प्रॉपर्ली हागो चेन ठीक डाले yang suko da tiwa dale we have 10 minutes in our hand ठीक डाले suko da tiwa yo do regarding anything नीचे career related या course related नीचे मोला जा ठीक डाले
We have a question in the chat box.
Okay, can you read?
Yeah. It's a question from Jide Wangmo. She says, I am in 11th class, I compound art stream, in which economics and math are common subjects as commerce streams. So can I opt for chartered accounting?
Yes. देखो, chartered accountant को opt to न्यानो I think ठीक है but chartered account bo tiok shino go chartered account bo how go shes bo hakta me she jena chartered accountant ko maths tang economics se relevant bo topic sing yun ong nyale ठीक डाले maths tang you know is okay economics po te jam jung che man mang chat po chartered accountant na chi ono shuna ka o khetang main commerce paper ong yung dole for example accountancy zera talks then a business management te un ma yono yale ते सोंपास आई थिंक क्राइटेरिया निजे जिक्स आजाद अगर क्राइटेरिया दिस होती है निजा 12 देना को ई पेपर गुन हो सत शायद ये संबंध तेने मैथ्स तंग इकोनॉमिक्स को तेजम जो चार्टर अकाउंट रेलेवेंट मानो चेजना चार्टर अकाउंटेंट को मंग चट पो अकाउंटेंट लास्ट दंग मैनेजमेंट लास्ट होती है मैनेजमेंट नंको yang mamputi apna taxation so tene corporate accounting zera so management accounting zera so cost accounting zera so ठीक डाले Tifia, Nije एक बार criteria जिक्स नियंग दक्षांगे जब criteria में share join चेतना कोई ची बार बार इधर चारों share join याले ची वज़दोक ठीक डाले yang सुकर लट्टीवा योजना मोला जात
We have another question from Rigzin Namgel. What are the job roles in banking sector?
Okay, banking sector में ये कंदो है the screen began banking and insurance ठीक डाले ता being a commerce student ठीक डाले banking banking is up industry ke tanang daksa India nang ko ma rapidly barai change yutno gala change ta yutno chezina daksa government of India tene ma mu scheme yut kya ki thangma tene finance is nang ko cover chose jitang te song pasang har gaung gawi nang ko daksa banking is up banking unit setup change nang do ale te song pasang bank nang ko career bu ma bright yutno ठीक है and at the same time insurance ठीक है kazuk ta tena step chu kya juna bank enang ko nangi songchanya bank PO junji tang and bank clerk junji tang the two alag alag job profile no ठीक है bank clerk e last puchino gomang ta samesang hanla ngata last puchino yang chi chono bank clerk tang bank PO e teo hagona teningi ja ngi interest tang relate chongyan ठीक है bank enang ko ni song job profile bank PO tang bank clerk juna mainly ngajat mi thama pada to clerk last puchi no juna ki mainly deal with the example is juna cashier no pala cashier ngata paying and deal juna le direct customer nang empo tine day to day har din customer nang empo deal jono paying ngata collect jono paying ngata withdraw jono khona tano deposit jono tiun mainly majorly clerk last no ठीक है tine bank PO jinji na yot kya kaw ketang officer ring to pixik gyala ring no hala tenang gua खोने लास्ट पुची क्या जुना बैंक पीओए हर बैंक नंग को अलग अलग सेक्शन क्या ठीक है लोन सेक्शन अलग ठीक है तेने मार्केटिंग सेक्शन अलग सेल सेक्शन अलग तेने पीओए रिस्पांसिबिलिटी ची नोक जुना अगर नंगा पीओ मिस्टर ए लोन सेक्शन न तंग ना खे रिस्पांसिबिलिटी पूरा लोन बो डिस्ट्रीब्यूट चुचेस हा म्यू ना लोन तंग चेस लोन बो ngata tam rede tang chen म्यू नंग मीटिंग चुचेस तीव रिस्पांसिबिलिटी तीव ड्यूटीज न ठीक है yang Mr. B kau kita nang marketing ya sell section na tang na khwe las po chi nok juna ki te bank scheme yu tyak pale rate of interest ka jam jang aji zuk chwa te un ma mi un nang ya po mi una sell ju ठीक है te un tene bank POA tene majorly khone las section ho ya ठीक है ta bank PO ka zo gyuro no bank clerk ka zo gyuro no juna tene ngija chi cho so no juna minimum qualification graduate cho so no graduate thing ne graduation thing ne tene IBPS range tang iduk shik board ching chingale board mean the sense iduk shik kawi ketan exam conduct ठीक है daksangi mal SSC zera so UPSC zera so IBPS range tang khone some shik Indiana bank yo mangchat bank ifya khone common exam ji conduct ठीक है for example bank Punjab bank indo then ngata Oriental bank indo then tena so mong po tial public sector dan private sector den ni syo tena le public sector espera tang sen ठीक है po so bank mang po kya khone exam conduct chono ten exam inang ko tene pre jiktang men's ren nang is sort of tier 1 tier 2 jin jitang exam nang ni chano wala te syllabus po chiu kya juna ngi ja IBPS website ka chik zik sa syllabus tang so kya ki tier 1 nang ko ngi ja ka syllabus chi chi yo for example reasoning yo no ठीक है then quantitative yo no then third book is English yo no te sanke basic question do no 50 question 100 question jik te is clear check choice nang bung is second tier if ya exam if ya eligible kirno second nang gong tenna yo no ठीक है tene second nang ko te plus young syllabus topic second nang ko mang bong ठीक है testing ne te on clear chatang bung is interview eligible chano interview eligible chik chatang po nija agar bank PO fia clear chana bank PO nang ko nija particular bank jangija tene appoint chono te clerk in a particular bank ji fi nija clerk chale I hope no clear skod to tangat ngatila time 3 minutes do gyale 3 minutes do nija ang suka latti ayodna nija molla
Yeah, there's some questions in chat box.
yes.
I don't know is it a question or not.
Yes.
Chang Chospel has said that how can I get money without doing any work?
How can money देखो ताकि इता जनरल स्पेरिक सोमाले पहने चंग लास्ट मोचो पहने कजु थोबा लास्ट मोचो चंग अदा थोपचेस मंगो हाला तो सिंगा दे एफर्ट चितांस दे मने अदा रिटर्न थोबा मानो ठीक जाले ते फे नोनोले निरंग स्कूल लाइन ना इतना सिचुएशन स्कूल लाइन दो यंग निरंग कॉलेज लाइन ना ठीक जाले निरा पहने चोचे से isuk shik dot pe yod na there are so many ways magar ngata pura properly yung manale ngata ka socially acceptable yo bo ways yo kya mirale ngata ngi daksa malale ngi tinang ko business mind ji chigin do ngi pene chu se pene ngi dache se dot pa yon na ngi being an entrepreneur ek entrepreneur ji gyura yale entrepreneur ji kezo gyura nok juna ngi dang to sa market na ngi tos yale market nang ko demand bu chi dukso mi una chi gos du yang supply mi una chi gos du yang mi una chi thoba menu gos kan bo thoba kazo thoba men balale thing is ke gap po ngi je ziksa tene gap pe nang ko for example nga chu go jot na ठीक डाले chu gelle go jot kya market nang ko te chu gela thoba me kya ta ngena te fe solution ji sola yale this tenna solution bo ketana ngena business na convert choza tenna jo nyanna you will be known as entrepreneur and entrepreneur bo dang de scenario nang ko ma respectful mi jiguro no yale so ale ye tenna jun no le yang baki tinyang ngi chang jun ठीक डाले yang suka tiwa yo dale
There is a question from Chang Chuskit Kale.
yeah
I'm in 12th. I take commerce without maths. So is it disadvantage in future?
no chang disadvantage chang me kya gale tangi dari malale commerce check nens terang course ke depends on gala course nita bcom zat na simple bcom jiktang bcom honors din tangi stuale bcom zat na ngira chang itu ko maths po compulsory mano gale mar bcom honors po zat na tene maths men na bcom honors se te course po option yana mano agar ngira bcom honors से को फायदा चीज चंगे दरी लो malale bcom honors na topic sik nija ma detail in understand chano har cheez nija additional spera mangpo hagon ta minute tik mani minu gale isting ne session bu rezook choda chi cho
we can everyone can join again using the same link.
Okay, ठीक है
less than 1 minute. We have another question. We'll take it in the next session.
Yes, you please join everything. Thank you.
Yeah, I'll just end the meeting here, and everyone please join again.
Thank you.
Yes, ma'am. Yes, ma'am. Thank you, sir.
Thank you, sir.
정말 그만해 join
주시길래. ठीक डाले.
Kale, I'll give you the host if you want to share the.
Okay, ठीक है.
Yeah.
Yale yang sugadla question on the please tia zadle.
We had a question earlier from someone. I have. It was from Sane, I think. Yeah. He said, Julia Kale, I'm currently a research scholar in management. However, I have also applied for assistant professor at some of the institution. So my question is that I pursue my PhD or should I focus on for the job as an assistant professor? If job, how should I prepare for the interview?
No, okay. What he is doing now is he's planning, right? He's planning to apply for assistant professor. Okay. So Jason, okay, मेरा अगर academic in angkua pura focus in yutna, right? Since you're already have mind ki meta mind ki I'll be going applying for a assistant professor. So what I suggest you is please go for a PhD. Okay, what I'm saying is the recent notification from the government of India, I think last year, says that for university, okay, from the year 20 Tifia, charger charging for sure. Tifia, agar ngira tin assistant professor ऐसा year chungin yudna, then for sure कि आपको then PhD in research in उनको PhD continue या PhD choices हम बना खर्चन दुख सामना गया ले. चे युना government policy university level का then कोने दुख, but in future in उनको college in उनको lapani फिया, that means assistant professor college in you mandatory do. What I just is ya taksai ka yang sugat Delhi University nangko admission in jitang yoda ya yutkani yang sugat yod participant, please let me know. Pitching is join. Agar yod na yale. 12 student just passed second to Tujik, planning to in the process of taking admission. Sugat Ahmed no recently.
Anyone
I think
suka diyo dale yutna ya fir hand raise dal ya fir yes no type just na digle. So someone is asking that is this for art students?
I think जो maximum thing ये this cow kitarang for particularly for commerce student, but in general, for example, ये competitive exams is that can be for anybody. For example, SSC, banking, anybody can apply, right? A commerce background you can tugun yampong tugunang can apply chungan chuno. At the same time, arts student nang tene e banking exam SSC unang apply chungan chuno yale. Even ki science chokon tugu mangpo tene engineering chokon mangpo tugu tene e bank PO ni fe apply chono tirale. Okay, so minukle I think DU is matches yale. I think so metna tene we can end our session reason.
One participant has raised his hand, Kale. Maybe he is.
He or she can unmute.
Yeah.
Chungan.
Midas swinang unmute just usually.
Or you can write proper question. Which subject you prefer in life? What does it mean? Which? I think 10 inches. I think if I'm not wrong, right? 10 inches. 11 angkua cuts of subject men that inches. If I am not wrong. Anyway, take an answer tangna, right? They go. I'll take 5 minutes. Nye you get a big explain to just koशिश join. Su kachiga su loptuk share right? 9, 10 standard in a math silted kya, मुझे science silted kya, मुझे geography silted kya, SST silted kya, right? Tene agar मुझे science 9, 10 in academic soramedo, या maths in अंगोल समझे मारंडे कसपो सोरटो, या geography जरा SST जानो पा, right? ते उन मुझे boring सोरना, ता मुझे जिग मजी चले. You can restart. Okay, freshly you just start chung by opting commerce, right? Kazu juna commerce po te just 11th in a commerce stream opt chuna. That means 11 bo keterang commerce se basic point gale. ठीक है ते नंग निजा चंग maths से तम इधुक्षी वो सम basic magic चना दिगा नो यंग निजा चंग science से ते chemical formula दंग ते तम निजा चंग कोशिश में क्या you can fresh start by opting a commerce stream. Okay, fresh start. This is a golden opportunity. If you have an opportunity, so a fresh start chungin yudna. Yang so much starting the pala yang shoot that in yudna. Even commerce option and just no yale. Che justin juna. Agar science optiona. Science in a 9, 10 then science sil diyo that 11 12 in angkong tenna of pong is continuation in chachen no tenna extended version ji no 11 12 tenna sofla but commerce 11 class okay terang is a basic no to is commerce wo is interesting ji thorna you can opt commerce as a fresh start ठीक है tene baki te tiduk question ji if no then second board sir which subject I have for preparing UPSC ta inang ko chang azuk shi met kya gale UPSC syllabus pun nijel tana syllabus den nang azuk shi chunjing met kya gale UPSC syllabus poltana har चीज निजा syllabus ano kala economics syllabus ano current affairs syllabus ano even ki commerce se mangpo subject mangpo syllabus ano subject mangpo zenna ki commerce se field inang gua chi chat njaman ale economics kadu chat mina syllabus no le UPSC nang gua te fiang ye te ujuin ka subject pu choose shows ano for preparing UPSC juna ate watang izirgen jemena ke you choose shows ka niji daksang is interesting thora to tenna ngi choose choza tirale then after graduation is thinking is tene UPSC preparation chungin yodna tene te time ka subject pungi graduation sil kaduk subject sil arts sil to science sil to commerce sil to te we faida definitely is while preparing the UPSC is a top chesino hele tipia to result enjedu which subject I have to choose for preparing the UPSC right. So, if I'm not wrong, answer do you think without any am choosing non-math is a good choice? E question answer bungi would you have choice? Do you think without any am choosing non-math is a good option? Dalto zialing dari starting become olole nija kazuk shik niji interest ang stunte right niji goal bo set chuchno yale as a randomly niji zat madat che juna daksa tang niji kobap chongya no banja nija jab niji direction bo galat direction ni chana tene maximum case in go niji kibap chongya yale tifia if you are in now school in na then in future in a option mo po ano pa the option on properly understand songs te nije option no tigale nije non medical chos medical chos pele nije how go no goma ta nije interest puchi do yang career opportunities chi do te sangma step by step understand songs te mane nije tene subject puchu maza junior tigale would you have choice in then question clear jigmasong Abdul Rashid if you elaborate little bit that would be more helpful. I think mida se question na wo clear songs na you can say yes or no.
Abdul Rashid, you can unmute yourself and ask. Maybe he had asked you that what do you choose in 10th class? Maybe
what do you have choice in 10? I think.
Abdul Rashid, please.
Can you please elaborate, Abdul Rashid? You may type your question in little detail. Something helpful, Chen.
And if anyone have other question, you can drop in the chat box or you can drop in the WhatsApp group we have created.
Think which subject you choose in 11. Okay, I think what she has said ki what subject I have choose. Okay, so since I'm in commerce, right? So commerce in Angua obviously already there ki 11th is the basic class for commerce student. So I had choose commerce in 11th standard because ngata 11th and ngata choose humanities, medical, non-medical. So I choose commerce in 11th standard. Yes. Then I've done BCom honors, which ke baad MCom and so on. I hope you have got the answer. All right. Okay. So commerce nije BCom honors choose se dotpa yodna. Probably the 10th standard in na Then is commerce that thing is choices no become commerce. ठीक है ये ले
Yeah.
yang sukat la yu dale.
Yes, because the question na WhatsApp group create chuste yo tena nge changma yo dole tena put
Okay.
na tena kalang kale may will answer the questions. There is another question. I have opted science non-med. I am interested in that, but I didn't have any aim.
Sign non man I'm that looks you know yale. So nira em yod na mednang nira is dum em med zer kan doch these things dog, but you have opted science non-medical stream and in the dugya. Ta nire gumatangira type close yale ki niri chipia opted opted non-medical, right? तब चीजों से something is options to right. So अगर M med ना मेरा चीजों जो ना opportunities तो से आले कि you can see the opportunities कि non medical नंते ये फिर चीची line उन open दो ठीक है ले line चीची को open में क्या line नीस open में क्या thousands of line open ये क्या right ठीक है ले तेनंग ने काउ मेरी फिर best suit छाप तेना follow जात ठीक है ले that can only be done at this particular moment. Agar ngira college la inna tira ngira agar daksa sorry 11th 12th standard jinna ngira college in kwa stream mong puyong dole non medical nente nang stream mong puyong do kato for example you can go for agar ngi BTech chodna civil engineer chu kya ngira mechanical engineer chu chemical engineer chu kya tate nang ne kao best ngira fi charo teo ustos teo explore chos and tenna ngire op chos tikale I hope. Okay, he said he is in. Yeah, she's in 12th standard. ठीक है. चंग problem है ना. Okay, so many times that being without any professional course by side is of no use. Sir, like, can you please clear this doubt? Is it true? Become without any professional? No, it's not like that. शिक्षण में क्या कहले? Daksang is use professional course, CA, ICWA, CA, CFA is in the professional course. There's a त्यो प्रोफेशनल कोर्स नो त्यो मन पा डिग्री कोर्स तसंग यरंग मान लो डिग्री चुat क्या ठीक है बीकॉम चुat क्या ते इसके इजु पोरा सोसोन वाले प्रोफेशनल कोर्स को यरंग अगर सीए चुजिस इन ना 12 ले फला तेना लाइन बने सीए माने चंग चुजिस में क्या ठीक है अगर यरंग बीकॉम चुज क्या बीकॉम चुज टेस्टिंग ने ता graduation check clear chat graduation complete chat nang po now you can opt for you can apply for the thousands of jobs job mong pe apply chuni chale ठीक है ती फिया की ती job पे ngira become hosen professional course hosen zirkan it's perajing mane ni samme na yomano samara yomano obviously become yodna ठीक है become yod tapik se gala grade chi yodna then you can apply for something easy mati commerce fia tene opportunities yo thangma ngira apply chungen chi kya ठीक है banking sector nangira apply chungen chi kya testing ngira insurance sector nang go ngira apply chungen chi kya yang become thing ne tene mong public sector unit mong po kya pale public sector unit mong po kya unit mong go post mong po piano ऐसा accountant पे post mong po mata take example of UT government there's so many department है क्या हर department ना चाहिए होता हर department ना को accountant रहे होता नो at least ठीक है an accountant वो generally तेने ते job पे सु prefer चुनो commerce student become चुका ने टुकुन prefer चुनो या ते संग गया होता है professional course करने टुकुन prefer चुनो ठीक है या ई क्वेश्चन मुझे चीज सलाह दिन हो समारा कि become ng professional course ka osen teo man chang use met kan bo te tapik si manok sa marayale te pe ngira agar professional course and interest na professional course pursue chesna tena line be nang ko ngira skara man na become chos या further studies chungin na mcom chos tena age skara zat te mane become chos nang thousands of job bingano tena ko ngi apply chos ठीक है I hope it is clear now. Yeah, young Sugala.
No, I think
Yeah,
we should end this session.
yes,
So
yes,
on
Rizwina,
behalf
thank
of
you so much.
each team member of Lamstan, I want to thank you, Kale, for sparing your time from your busy schedule, for having a session with us. And I want to thank every participant for joining. If you have any further question, you can ask in the WhatsApp group we have created. I hope all of you are in that group, and we have Kale also in that group. If you have any question, you can ask there. Thank you so much, Kale.
Yes, thank you all the participants. Also who have queries and doubts, you can contact me anytime, okay, on the WhatsApp group, or you may call on my personal number, right? And particularly for those students who are in who just graduated, ठीक है? So graduates on the they must be in a very kind of dicey stage, ठीक है? Even if you join, ki nija doubts, you chitong problem yudna, question yudna, nija kiesa. Thank you so much, all the participants. Thank you, Nomor
Thank
Exinle,
you, Kale.
for conducting such a good session. Thank you. Thank you. Good night.
If anyone is not in the WhatsApp group, please stay back. I will share the link here within a few minutes. Others can leave. Thank you.